Hello and welcome to my channel, Food Brainwash. The aim of my channel is to boost your cooking knowledge through a wide variety of different cooking tutorials and food science animations and past exam paper videos. If that sounds like your cup of tea, then please subscribe. Time to make pizza toast. Ingredients are on my blog. I'll link below. Check it out. If you're going to use meat, I suggest that you pre-cook it. Look at those amazing griddle marks. Time to cut your bread. You can use a loaf like I've got from Tesco's, where we cut it into nice thick slices, or you can just as easily use a sliced bread that you've got around the house. Now it's time to slice and dice the toppings. I'm using green capsicum and onion. I'm using fresh herbs here, but you could of course use dried oregano instead. I'm using tomato paste, but passato would work just as well, or you could even blend up a can of tomatoes and use the juice of that. Make sure you keep the cheese on the toast rather than all over the grill pan. Take it out when your cheese is melted and going brown and also bubbling. Serve your snack with some side salad or avocado like I did here. This version uses olives and spring onions. After all, it's your pizza toast, so you can put on what toppings you like. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications and smack that like button. I'll see you next time.